area clean. Over 1 million seabirds and 1 lakh sea mammals are killed by pollution every year. More than 73 various kinds of pesticides in the groundwater is used in drinking water. 86% of Indian water bodies are deemed critically polluted. Almost 80% of urban waste in India is dumped in the river Ganga. 1 lakh children less than 5 years old are killed every year due to pollution. 11 out of 12 cities with the highest level of particulate pollution are located in India. Let's deal with some of the more exigency around our environment. The basic necessities of people in day-to-day life is food, air and water. We have often heard ample of times about air, water, soil, noise or radioactive pollution. But has anyone heard about food pollution? Yes, food pollution. It is generally the presence of some toxic chemicals and biological containment in food which are not naturally present in it. Let's move one step forward, and that is towards its farming. Do you know farming is the single biggest cause of worst air pollution in Europe? And how can someone ignore talking about the present scenario? Gosh, COVID 19. A study out of Harvard recently found that someone living in an area of high particulate pollution is actually 8% more likely to die from COVID than other living in an area just one small unit less pollution. The California wildfires could potentially cause an application of COVID 19. It's especially scary because the smoke can blow thousands of miles and infect really large number of people without any predictability. Moving on, whether it occurs through improper waste disposal and inadequate method of treatment in urban epicenters or via oil spills and agriculture runoff passing into our seas and ocean water pollution can have grave consequences for all life on earth. The 2010 Deep Horizon oil spill adversely affected over 82,000 birds, 6,000 turtles, 25,900 marine mammals, and an unquantified number of fish and invertebrates. In 2015 alone, a study revealed that waterborne illness caused 1.8 million deaths worldwide. It's even estimated that around 70% of surface water in India is unfit for consumption. We have become so lost in our own life that we became selfish towards our own environment. Recent researchers proclaim that 5G will roll out by the end of this year, but its consequences will be way more adverse than others. Its radiation can cause millions of birds to die within few months and may give many health issues. Furthermore, the holy river of Ganga, which had become polluted, seems to be clean during lockdown. But the impious problem it has caused before seems to be breathtaking. During the festival Chhath, several devotees had eruptions, red spots, and other skin irritations while taking the holiday. Never before has it caused such problems. Several new schemes were being launched by government but failed due to the lack of importance of peoples. Schemes like Odd or Even, Ganga Safai Abhiyan, banning of loudspeakers from temples, closures of all leather factories from Kanpur, National Clean Air Program were all being put forward by government, but till now no reports found of them to be executed. Hence, the lack of interest has led the loss in the environment. Preventive measures like carbon credit, smoke guns, red light on Gadi of campaign, banning of diesel generators, potential banning of constructions are being taken by government, which work upon the saying, "Ek kadam swachhta ki aur."